All right, guys, today we've got a bit of a special announcement about a virtual event that's going on for the additive manufacturing industry. It's called Additive Digital World, hosted by 3D Natives. It is the virtual event that brings the additive manufacturing industry together. Now, it's this October 22nd, and it's going to be from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific time, or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. So what is Additive Digital World? It's basically a one-day virtual event full of panel discussions with AM experts from leading industrial companies and networking sessions with the most innovative firms in the field. So because of the whole COVID crisis and everything going on around the world, we don't exactly have expos that we can go to, like Formnext or Rapid or AMUG, so we're kind of forced to find other options. And what they've done is they've put together a very robust system for actually meeting via video chat and regular chat, and basically you'll get a very similar experience from the comfort of where the heck you want to be. Additive Digital World is a free virtual event offered by 3D Natives, the leading online magazine about 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Basically, we've got 6 different panel discussions with a bunch of experts, 5 networking sessions with innovative companies in the field, and it's totally free. It's an international event too, obviously being online, so anybody can attend and learn a lot of cool stuff. Let's go over the overview and the basic schedule. For the general sections, we've got from 5:30 to 6:15, we'll be expanding the world of manufacturing with design for additive manufacturing. Very important, the way you design your parts for additive is not the same as injection molding or machining or basically mass production. The way you make stuff is very different. This is going to be very interesting. From 7 a.m. to 7:45 PST, we've got Reimagining the Industrial Supply Chains using Additive Manufacturing. Once again, the COVID economic crisis has really put a shining light on supply chains and where do you get stuff, how quick can you get it, can you even get it, and could you make it yourself? Next, we've got from 8:30 to 9:15 Pacific time, we've got metal additive manufacturing, when to integrate it into your manufacturing process. It can be very expensive, but it's also very, very good, and it can create things that could never be created before. But should you use it? This will be a great session to hear the experts talk about. From 10 a.m. to 10:45, we've got the industry focus on additive manufacturing in the aerospace sector. Obviously, being able to reduce weight, increase strength, and use high temperature or just robust materials in aerospace, whether the interior of an aircraft, which is mostly made out of ULTEM 9085, which we do print, you should check it out, or to the metal additive manufacturing, making micro turbines that are 100x more efficient. There's a lot of stuff you can do. Next, we've got from 11:30 to 12:15, can additive manufacturing fulfill the promise of mass customization? This is one of the things we see in products like this, which is a shoe sole that's actually got the person's name printed in the part. So things like this for consumer products that can be mass customized is a very robust application, but is it really practical? We'll be talking about that. And from 1 to 1:45 p.m. Pacific time, once again, we've got looking ahead, what do 3D printing applications hold for the future? And then we've also got networking sessions going on. I'll personally be there at each networking session, probably along with some of the guys, so you can actually show up and talk to me, ask us questions directly, and find out more about what we do, as well as all these other companies. So those times, Pacific, again, will be 6:15 to 7 a.m., 7:45 to 8:30, 9:15 to 10 a.m., 10:45 to 11:30 a.m., and 12:15 to 1 p.m. And then it's all followed up by an additive after party from 2 to 3 p.m. So definitely bring your favorite beverages and or whatever else you want and hang out with everybody. It should be a pretty cool time. Now the companies that'll be there, first we'll go over the sponsors. They got some pretty big names on here. We've got Formlabs, Dimension, Post Process, 3D Systems, Meltio, and Prodways. And then the speakers are coming from a broad variety of companies, and I'll just go down the list. We've got Wohlers Associates, Inc., Autodesk, Avid PD, a loop result company, MIT, Fast Radius, Prodways, Arevo, Post Process, Additive America, Desktop Metal, Fraunhofer Institute, 3D Systems, 3D Natives, NASA, Meltio, Virgin Orbit, Link 3D, Formlabs, Ford Motor Company, Materialize, Dimension, Facebook, HP, and of course, Vision Miner. We won't be speaking, but we'll be there and you can talk to us directly. So, check it out. go ahead and go online, go register. It's totally free, even if you make a couple of the sessions. It's a great way to learn about the hottest, most current things going on in 3D printing, additive manufacturing in the industry right now. When you get the guys that are at the top of all their fields, respectively, talking about what's going on today, it's the most up-to-date information you can get, and there's going to be some really cool stuff. So check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at Additive Digital World.